MLA 9 book citations follow a simple, exact pattern. Use author, title, and source details. In MLA 9, there is no year in the basic book entry. Write the author as last name, first name. MLA keeps names in that order and adds et al. For 3 or more authors. Italicize the title, use title case, and end with a period. If there's a subtitle, place a colon between the 2 parts. The source is the publisher name. No quotes, no extra labels, just the publisher followed by a period. Unlike some styles, MLA 9 does not include the publication year in a standard book works cited entry. Here's the finished MLA 9 book entry: author, italicized title, then publisher, each ending cleanly with a period. Common mistake, using title case and adding a year. MLA 9 wants an italicized title in title case, then the publisher only. For 2 authors, keep both names in order and connect them with and. Gentext formats MLA 9 book citations inside Word with the entry ready to paste into works cited. Gentext formats MLA 9 citations automatically in Word, free to